Hey, it's Mal, and we're live at MTV. We have Paige Perry here today with us to talk about her new hit song, Chickenpox.
Hey guys!
Woo! So what inspired you to write this song?
Well, I think it's important for people to understand how serious chickenpox can be and that it should be taken seriously. And there are also some great tips in the song.
I see. Well, I personally love it.
Vaccination is super important because of how contagious it is.
Now, what are some precautions that you can take?
Well, once children are older than 12 months, it's encouraged that you get the chickenpox vaccination.
And what does chickenpox target?
Chickenpox are a human-based virus.
Oh, what are some symptoms that we should look out for?
High temperature, fatigue, muscle and joint aches, flu-like symptoms appear a couple days before the rash appears.
Oh, great. Thanks for the tips. Can you give us some information on what happens when there's an outbreak?
Well, everyone that has not yet been affected would need to be vaccinated immediately. And the ones who are affected would need to be isolated so they do not pass on the virus.
Okay, great. Thanks for helping us out, Paige.
Oh, no problem.
Greetings, loved ones. Let's take a journey. I know a virus that is targeted on humans. Itchy, ache and chills. There must be something wrong with me. Fatigue, fever, rash are all symptoms of this virus. Flu-like symptoms start a day or two before the rash appears. You can get a vaccine recommended for children 12 months or older. Once you get that vaccine, you'll be protected from the virus. Chickenpox is the virus transmitted through humans from contact. The virus gets entry through the respiratory tract. Chickenpox is the virus. Oatmeal baths help you to heal. Pat, don't rub, it will make the itching worse. Blisters may appear anywhere on the body, starting at the scalp, spreading to arms, legs, and face. Make sure you don't take aspirin, 'cause that can end in an unfortunate death. When you have chickenpox, it is highly contagious. Well, chickenpox is the virus. Babies and adults get it worse. They can develop many complications. Chickenpox is the virus. It can spread very fast. Avoid contact with anyone that has it.
Breaking news about chickenpox. The mode of infection is that the virus enters our body through our nose, mouth, or broken skin. It can also sneak into our eyelids to get into our bodies. Once in, it latches onto host cells and reproduces like crazy. The replicated virus particles then travel to the liver, spleen, and sensory nerve tissues. After another round of viral reproduction, the particles infect the skin cells. This skin infection thus makes the chickenpox rash. The cycle chickenpox goes through the lysogenic cycle. The nature of the lysogenic cycle is that the genetic material enters the cell, then integrates into host cell. The host cell DNA copies genetic material. Then the cell divides and virus chromosomes are transmitted to daughter cells. Then the genetic material detaches from the host cell's DNA and then enters stage 2 of the lytic cycle. Thank you.